how far are we as to the Sangguniang paglulusot with this sanitary landfill, and yung kung napag-usapan na mag-slash or what do you call that one, downscale, and nasaan na po tayong level dun sa SP? Attorney Plomo, sir? Or Mayor?
Okay, as of the briefing nato together with the members ng Sangguniang Pangungsod, as of the moment, na-deferred siya, no? Ang salita lang, deferred siya, ibig sabihin, pinag-aaralan pa ng ating councilors kung ano pwedeng magandang gawin for that project. No? So, anytime, pwede naman i-take out the table yun at ilagay sa plenary, no, for discussion. But as of the moment, nagingin ang oras yung ating councilors and the Sangguniang Pangungsod members, no? Para mapag-aral mabuti yung landfill. Because sabi ko nga, last kanina, from the executive side, napag-aral natin, naayos na natin, together with our PIU, and now we passed the resolution sa Sangguniang Pangungsod for the approval. So right now, naka-defer siya and pending sa Sangguniang Pangungsod. And of course, Attorney Artoma will elaborate more kung ano talaga nangyari sa kanya.
Well, we do confirm that the status of the landfill is still pending before the SB. So, deferred siya. Kay ang SB po karon, dili po pa magkahiusa kung sa'yo buhaton sa maong item. No? We have just conducted our benchmarking kay siyempre sa ginakon sa proyekto ato gikumpara kini sa mga proyekto sa ato mga adjacent na mga municipalities. Then we're trying to have a consensus among the members of the SP before we decide on that. Hopefully, before the end of February, we'll have a decision over that issue in the Sangguniang Panglusod.
Follow-up next one. As to the figure of how much was that project, sir?
Right now kasi, ang figure nasa mga 295, no? And I think SP is also considering a lower pa. That's the last na we together with Vice Mayor, and they wanted lower pa. No? Initially, when we had the project, effect na po ito na lower to 180 million from 325 original contract. So basically, namugay kusotan ng that, wood bills. So, hindi man pwede ang local government para mag-buot. We have to seek the assistance ng ating consultants. That's why we hired them. So, we come up with a figure ng ganit, 265 na come up nun. I think SP right now is considering to lower it pa, ma-downsize pa siya. So, I think some of them went already to different areas, adjacent provinces to check ang ibang mga landfill na doon. And right now, kaya sabi nga na-deferred because they wanted personally na ma-check yung project. And by end of the month, ang commitment naman ni Vice Mayor, Sherwin Banyas-Nograles, na by February, tapusin nila, and whatever is the result, whatever is the decision ng SP, gagawin nila as soon as possible.
Okay, last one. How about engineer, sir? To the notion of Councilor Nunez, considering the Sorala landfill, its cost, I think 12 to 14 million, and sanitary landfill na siya, at present doon sa Sangguniang Panglusod, and being the, shall we say, dark horse, or the people in charge of you, or how do you say so?
Sige. Ang comparison i-mention sa atong sanggunian is ang Sorala is a category 2. Sa atong magong balawod, no? Balawod sa DNR, doon ay upat category mga landfill nga appropriate sa mga syudad o sa mga munisipyo. Ang Sorala is a common landfill with several South Cotabato municipalities, category 2. No? Tungod kay gagmay ang ilang volume. No, General Santos being a highly urbanized city, no, dugay na good na mention sa atong environmental compliance sa mga project, require ta og category 4 katong taas na. Okay, sobra naman ang atong daily production of waste. Iba-na masubra sa 200 tons a day. No? So kinahanglan na ay HDPE liner. Mo tong kung i-kumpara ang Surala, layo ra gid sila sa tuwa. Largely agricultural pagdating ng uses. Muna kami sa technical, we would want to put on the table for consideration sa kulian nga tunay technical studies and technical documentation na nagsulti nga appropriate sa ito ang category 4. Medyo dako kay kompleto man, doon ay kalsada, doon ay fence, doon ay wastewater treatment, it's the whole work. No? Pero kung kami po ang pagtanaw, investment nito our future. Pwede na ni himuot karon niya in a very short period, say 3 years, mapuno na. Kung kita naman itong lungtarong nga paggamit, kaya ang waste management, usaman ka serbisyo sa panggamhanan nga dili mo undang. Dili sa short living nga investment. Salamat.
Okay, thank you very much.